Right now, millions of people across the United States are working harder than ever before, longer hours, multiple jobs, side hustles, and yet, despite all of that effort, they're still broke. Not just struggling, but stuck. And here's the uncomfortable truth. Working hard alone will never make you rich. In fact, it might be the very thing keeping you trapped. Because the system most people are following, it was never designed to make you wealthy. So in this video, I'm going to break down why most people never build real wealth, the biggest financial mistakes keeping Americans stuck, and what you need to do differently if you actually want to escape. The illusion of hard work. From a young age, most people are taught one simple formula: go to school, get a good job, work hard, and eventually you'll be financially secure. Sounds reasonable, right? But here's the problem. That formula creates income, not wealth. Let's say someone earns $60,000 a year in the US. After taxes, that might drop to around $45,000. Now subtract rent or mortgage, car payments, insurance, groceries, utilities. What's left? Very little. And this is where most people get stuck, because their entire financial life is built around earning and spending, not building. Why most people stay broke? Here's what's really happening behind the scenes. 1. Inflation is silently destroying your money. Every year, the cost of living increases. Rent goes up, food prices rise, gas becomes more expensive, but your salary, it barely keeps up, which means even if you're working harder, you're actually falling behind. 2. The middle class trap. This is where things get dangerous. You start earning more money, so naturally, you upgrade your lifestyle. Better apartment, new car, more subscriptions, and suddenly, you're making more but saving nothing. This is called lifestyle inflation, and it traps millions of Americans every year. The debt cycle. Now let's talk about something even more serious, which is debt. In the United States, the average person carries credit card debt, student loans, car loans, and most people don't realize debt is designed to keep you working, because when you owe money, you lose flexibility. You can't take risks, you can't invest properly, you can't build wealth. Instead, you're stuck making monthly payments. The 3 biggest mistakes. Let's break down the exact mistakes keeping people broke. Mistake number 1, relying only on a salary. A job gives you income, but it doesn't give you freedom. Because if you stop working, the money stops too. Wealthy people don't rely on one source of income. They build systems. Mistake number 2, not investing early. Most people wait too long to invest. They think, I'll start when I earn more. But that's the wrong approach, because time, not income, is the most powerful factor in building wealth. Mistake number 3, spending instead of investing. Every dollar you spend today is a dollar that could have been working for you, and over time, those missed opportunities add up. How the wealthy think differently. Let's shift perspective. Wealthy individuals don't just work for money, they make money work for them. 1, they invest consistently. Stocks, ETFs, real estate. They focus on assets that grow over time. 2, they build multiple income streams. Instead of relying on one paycheck, they create passive income, side businesses, investments. 3, they delay gratification. Instead of spending immediately, they invest first and enjoy later. How to start building wealth. If you want to break out of the cycle, here's where to start. Step 1, control your expenses. Track your spending. Cut unnecessary costs. Step 2, start investing early. Even small amounts matter. Consistency beats perfection. Step 3, build extra income. Don't rely on one source. Step 4, think long-term. Wealth is not built overnight. The powerful final verdict. Here's the reality most people don't want to hear. If you keep doing what everyone else is doing, you'll get the same results everyone else is getting. And for most people, that means working for decades without ever achieving real financial freedom. But it doesn't have to be that way, because once you understand the rules, you can start playing the game differently. And that's where everything changes. If you find this video valuable, subscribe, like, and comment. See you in the next one. Bye.